Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. It's a nice one for a Tàijíquán player, I think. Just felled this evergreen, or evergreen again, tree yesterday. Fairly wide at the base, and I kind of felt like I met with, what is dead, where something has fallen, and then perhaps what is still alive at the trunk. Maybe in the roots there's still life. Maybe it's fungal life. And so I was practicing this morning, just trying to see if I can sense the roots, something that we're interested in doing in Tai Chi practice anyway, sense the roots of a freshly fallen tree. Like, is there still an urge beneath the ground? Is it different than the roots of the nearby living trees? Can I feel the difference? Am I just imagining it? And so I'm kind of doing it physically facing, visually facing what is dead, what is no more, and seeing if I can not just remember and not just imagine, but actually feel the potentially livingness under the ground. And that's kind of something that I do in push hands with people too. And it's quite interesting to do with something that perhaps felt different yesterday than it did today, and certainly felt different 5 years ago than it did today. I invite you to try that. I'm trying it with a newly fallen tree, but perhaps any old tree stump will do. And let me know what you find. Thank you very much. Remember, the roots are living long after the fruits. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.